Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout or activity on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And here you should see the workout option. Tap on it and now you should see the list of workouts. And you can scroll through it and look for the workout you want to start. You can also tap on more to open even a bigger list of workouts, and basically you can look for something you want to use, for example water sports and maybe sailing. And once you find the workout you want to start, tap on it and then tap on go. And it's gonna start the countdown, and after the countdown the workout will start. And we have the time, also the amount of calories we burn, the heart rate. You can scroll right on the screen to open the menu, and here you can pause the workout, resume it. You can stop it by pressing and holding on the end button. And another thing you can do is to control the music during the workout on your phone, of course, because you can use the smart band to control the music on your phone. And to do it you can swipe left, and here we have the music controls menu, and you will be able to pause, play music, change the volume and go to the next or previous song. And like I said before, to stop the workout, swipe right on the screen, press and hold on the end button, then tap on the check mark to finish the workout. Okay, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you start the workout or activity on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.